Boil. See if I can figure out how the hell I open this. Is it upside down? I think it's upside down. Yeah, I think so. Okay. This is not going to be fun to watch because I'm bad at this. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Yeah, little pieces of tape that I need to move. That I need to move, yeah. You know what I mean. Piece of thing. Or do I just slide it out? I think I just slide it. Oh, I need 2 irons for this. Okay. Get out of your box. There it is. Okay. I don't need my knife anymore. Oh, oh, yeah. I think that this is a sticker. Well, you know what I mean. It's holding it together, so I need to take it off. Fuck it. Knife. I can get it in there. I'm really excited to see the packaging of this. Because the Vive packaging is really, really nice looking. So, let's see how this one is. Oh, oh my. I haven't actually held these yet. Oh, it's definitely not set for my hand, but oh my. And the headset right here. HDMI, USB. Oh, this is the back cable for it. Okay. I'm not sure what this is. If I can. There we go. That looks like mini DisplayPort. Wait, does it not look like a DisplayPort? If my camera will focus? Okay, well, kind of does. But smaller. Whatever. Let me put that back together. As you can tell, this is a professional quality video. Oh. There's something underneath it. I'm not risking lifting that without 2 hands. Oh my. Yeah, here's the rest of it. Guess guess these are the base station mounts. Yep, screws underneath. More stuff for the base stations, cables, and this is for the headset. Looks to be more cables for it. I'm not going to assemble this while recording. And then there's this. I think that this hooks onto the back of the headset. It's really nice. And then the charger cables for the controllers. Oh. This is such nice packaging. Kind of doubt there's anything underneath. I'm going to check. No, nothing underneath. Let me just destroy your ears while I put it back in. But there they are. I'm going to try adjusting one of these controllers. For my hand. Oh my. Oh, that's so nice. Oh! It just holds onto your hand. No clicking with the touchpad. That looks to be a power button. Where does it plug in? Oh, it plugs in on the bottom. Plugs in down here. That's just... Oh, it's so nice. I'm gonna have fun with this today. I don't know what's in there. Looks to be Velcro. Yeah, Velcro. Oh, it's like an instruction manual, I think. Yeah, it's a bunch of different instruction manuals in a bunch of different languages. English on the top. Oh, wait, no. Oh, setup guides. Okay. I'm gonna take the controller off. Not that you can see what I'm doing, but sorry, I don't know how to do this any better than I am. I'm a good YouTuber, don't worry. But yeah, it comes with these setup guides in a bunch of different languages. This is the only one I care about, obviously. The rest of these can just, I don't know. They can just go somewhere. We'll just put them back in the box they came from. Oh, is this little... I think this is a little cleaning rag. Microfiber rag, I think it is called. Yeah. It's got the Valve Index logo. Oh, it's nice. I mean, obviously, microfiber feels really nice. I don't like doing this with one hand. Yeah, you can't breathe that anyways. Oh. Time to spend the next like 15 hours setting this up because that's how VR works.